Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to correctly charge your Marshall Emberton second speaker. It is quite simple, but anyway there are some nuances that you guys need to know. So let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful content. So the first thing we are gonna discuss is how to know that your speaker needs to be charged. You need to charge the speaker as soon as possible if you see that this indicator starts blinking red. That will mean that you have a low battery percentage. So now let's discuss how to charge this speaker. So the first thing you're gonna need is the USB-C cable that goes in a complete with your speaker. You need to put this part into this charging port, like this, and another part you need to put in the USB adapter and connect it to the charger. But also you can put it in the port of your computer, as I will do now. But you guys need to know that if you connect it to your computer, the charging process will go much more slower. So now you check the indicator. If it's still blinking, like in my case, that means that you need to charge your speaker. If it stops blinking and just light up constantly, that means that your speaker is fully charged. So now let's talk about how much time you need to charge your speaker. This Emberton second speaker provides 30 hours of playback on a single charge. But for the fully charge of your battery you need only 3 hours. And the 20-minute charging process will help you to use your speaker for like additional 4 hours. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.